Boss Wayne, mukbangking ng gabi habang may horror chicken wings sa katabi. Nilamon ko lahat kahit may naglalakad. Sa labas ng pinto may bata sa likod ng aparador. Mukbang naka-horror sabay sa mesa. Si Boss Wayne to, di natitinag kahit may espiritu sa pintana. Kahit may sigaw sa screen, mukbang boss ako kahit multo, di palpak ako ang ring. Kagat, subulunok, tulala ka na yan. May white lady sa TV pero ribs pa rin ang plan. Mukbang plus takutan dito para sa tuwa. Pag si Boss Wayne ang kumain pati multo na papaurong wag.
Welcome to my YouTube channel. Yan na po, panibagong video na naman tayo sa mga katatakutan. Yan. Nagbukas na ako ng ilaw kasi nadala ako doon sa kaganina doon sa nakakatakot eh. Nabibigla ako eh. So, yan. Ito na po yung papanorin natin. The 5 Urban Exploration that Eden very badly. No? Yan. So, simulan na natin. Samahan nyo ako ulit.
Supposedly haunted by the devil himself. After arriving, police began his nocturnal investigation. But the more time they spent in the cursed area, the more often they observed strange phenomena. Pay attention.
Pero agad ha. Kasi simula pa lang.
Yes. Oh, that was a gunshot.
Kasi simula pa lang yan guys.
Campfire. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, no.
Yan.
The inexplicable screams and the levitating fire were just the beginning of the work.
May natutunog. Style pa lang, nakakatakot na eh. Kala ko may nakasabit. Uy!
Oh, excuse me. No, look at that. This time when Leonardo was alone, he reported something chilling.
Ayun na yung tao. Uy, putang katakot.
But that wasn't the end, because then Luis enters one of the darkest tunnels and reports something creepy.
Meron nga, may laman yan. Ayun oh.
You can't really see
Yung
it,
nakaputi.
but I imagine there must be an exit over there. It must have been up there.
Lumataas yung balahibo ko sa ulo. Saka natatakot ako. Nadala na ako eh.
Look at that. I repeat, I don't know what happens right there in front of me. See it, don't go around saying it.
Ipatay natin yung ilaw para may tents.
At one point, in the darkness, Luis notices something. The creepy figure of a long-haired woman lying in the tunnel with him, but after a few minutes she disappears without a trace.
Creepy! Nakatakot!
This chilling video was shared by the YouTube channel Hit, where Debbie and Paolo attempt to perform one of the many dangerous rituals. This time, Debbie had to stay alone locked in a small locker with a lit match, and what happens next is truly chilling.
Ay! Ay! Lumawak!
I'll tell you, I feel it. Maybe I don't feel anything. I felt. No, now I feel it. Forget Paolo. I see the deaths are changed. What do you want, what to do. And I don't know this, I'm curious.
Kamang bibigla ah. Yung nakakatakot yung madilim eh. Ay! May humatak sa kanya.
At one point, the match goes out with Debbie like a mysterious hand grabs it. A little
May
later,
kamay talaga eh.
comes out of the locker completely terrified. Real or fake, you decide.
Ayoko talaga pag madilim eh. Nakadadala ako, tinamo ako, nagilabutan ako.
The group of investigators from the Shadowhunters channel decided to do an exploration in the cemetery because the cemetery guard claims that a woman appears crying every night. Upon arriving at the site, the group of explorers begin their investigation, but after a long time they fail to find anything strange in the surroundings. However, there is a moment when they stop walking and the camera records something truly terrifying. It was bro. There you go. Gallery. What's that, bro? Gallery. It's her. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. What's that, man? Mars, bro. What a dark business, old man. Now, Lucas, man. Date. As you can see,
Suggest ko dito siguro parang nananakot lang. Style na nananakot, no? Parang nananakot lang siya, guys.
mysterious woman is wearing a white coat and ends up following them to the point of scaring them and driving them away, as if the woman were indirectly telling them that they should
Tao eh. Tao yan. Nakatakot yung background.
The following video
Ayan na.
Stereo JL channel.
Ito na naman yung mga bando na.
This time we will see two ghost hunters who decided to go to an abandoned building with a dark story about a child who died there and who now haunts this place. Upon arriving at the location and beginning their exploration, they began to hear strange noises. If you notice, on all the walls of that day,
Nino.
child
Nino daw sabi. Nino.
scream, a scream. Oh,
Ano ba yan?
where did it go, dude? Where did it go? I don't know.
Mukha pa naman mga tatakot eh. Huwag tatakbo eh.
Oh man, don't worry. There's a child here, the spirit of a child.
Saan galing?
Oh, here it is. Where did it go? Where did it go? It's looking totally gone. After a few minutes inside the realized they weren't alone, as they began to hear the voice of the child calling for his mother. What they reported next is really
May bata nga. May naririnig silang bata.
They already looked at Columbia. Look at that figure. What was it? Oh God. I don't know. I think so. Look, you can hear a child's voice. Sure, but- Oh, please, here. Something's
Oh.
over here on this side.
Kala ko may tumakbo na.
Here, something happened there.
Ayun o. Ayun o.
Oh man. Coincidentally, at one point during the investigation, one of the ghost hunters reported something or someone on the upper floor.
O, di ba? May
A
bata.
small child apparently was watching them. Then they continued exploring until at one point they captured the ball. Oh my God. I feel a really bad vibe. Yeah, dude.
Para saan yun? Pampaingay? Comment na nga guys, para saan yun? Yung ganon.
What?
Ay, may ano.
What?
Ayun. Ayun.
What did something happen?
Bilang mo ko, nagulat naman ako sa'yo. Asdan, ba't nandiyan ka? Baba! Nagulat ako sa kanya.
Where did something happen over there in the back? No. Here. Up here. Yeah, up here. Something happened up here. Oh man. No. Over here. Oh man, dude. What did you see? Oh. What did you see? No. Not what I saw. What did you see? I saw a little bulge, dude. A little bulge. I swear on my mother. This time
Really?
I see something even more
Oh.
disturbing. A mysterious dark figure of a child running quickly.
Naglalaro rin pala.
The investigators noticed the figure and went to the place where it was, but they didn't
Ang
find it.
ganda ng video, yung camera nila, nakakadetect ng mga, black spirit.
A haunted building, or is it just a well-crafted prank? Let me know what you
Pinagmamasdan lang sila, guys.
think in the comment box. If you want to see the full episode of this investigation, visit his YouTube channel, Mysterio JL.
Kulit mo ko ako. Nagugulat ako sa'yo, tatakot ako eh.
Investigators supposedly
May ganito.
farm in hopes of capturing evidence of paranormal activity. After a few minutes, they would manage to capture the following. Pay attention. Good night.
Nood ka rin nakakatakot eh. Ikaw din? Samahan mo ako? Ayun na, dalawa sila oh.
Watch me.
Kiss mo ako.
watched.
Ayaw mo?
Feeling was weird.
Si Bubbles na lang.
What the hell?
Red ka Bubbles na yan.
Oh my gosh, I just saw something over there. Oh my god. Something was peeking out and went in. Oh my gosh, I swear something was peeking out and went in. As they explored the extensive property, Alexis came across a building and began to circle around it.
Hindi ko na naiintindihan Bubbles yung pinapanood ko.
One of the windows, and moments
Gugulo
later,
mo.
they retreated after being seen.
Ayun naman sumisilip sa kanya.
They both ran toward that place and entered the room where the figure had been, but they didn't find anyone inside.
Ayoko pag madilim. Ayoko. Yung mga ganyan. Anted. Ayaw na ayoko yan. Guys.
Look, I'm almost out of light density, man. I'm running out. I'm going to take out the other one, man. Yeah, you can see it.
Hey!
What's up, man?
Uuli.
What? What's up? Man, Kevin, I saw something. Wait, man.
Uuli.
What's up? What's up, man? Man.
Yun yung nakita niya kaganina.
Out the window seemed to still be watching them from afar, because when Alexis turned around, he managed to see this entity, and seconds later, it quickly disappeared from view. Once again, Kevin and Alexis rushed to investigate, but they didn't find any trace of anyone. So, what do you think this entity was that was watching them from afar? Let me know what you think in the comments.
Nakakatakot. May tao nga eh.
For chilling encounters like this, don't forget to check out their YouTube channel, Archivo Extended.
So ito guys, natapos na yung video natin, no? Yung nakakatakot. So nakapansin ko naman talaga, parang lahat naman, totoo naman yung video nila. Approve sa akin. Nga kinilabutan ako na nasatisfy ako sa pinanood natin, na kinilabutan ako. Okay naman. So, dito na natin tatapusin guys. Kung nagustuhan niyo itong video na to, mag-follow kayo. Like, subscribe, at pindutin nyo na rin yung notification bell para maging updated kayo sa aking mga panibagong mga nakakatakot na video. Thank you and God bless lahat sa inyo. Ay! Dito dito!
Boss Wayne, mukbangin ng gabi Habang may horror chicken wings sa katabi Nilamon ko lahat kahit may naglalakad Sa labas ng pinto may bata sa likod ng aparador Mukbang naka-horror sabay sa mesa Si Boss Wayne to, di natitinag kahit may espiritu sa pintana Kahit may sigaw sa screen Mukbang boss ako kahit multo di balpak ako ang ring Kagat subulunok tulala ka na dyan May white lady sa TV pero hips pa rin ang plan Mukbang plus takot